Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you how to open an account on the Tokocrypto exchange through the TradingFinder website. Open the review section for crypto exchanges, then after selecting Tokocrypto, click on Go to Website and you'll be taken to the main page of the Tokocrypto exchange website. Through the list option, we enter the account registration page, and after filling out the form, entering an email address that hasn't previously been used to open an account on this exchange, and a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and re-entering the password. If you have a referral code, you should enter it in this section. If not, you can obtain our referral code from support. The next section asks how you became familiar with this exchange. After completing the form, click on the option indicating that you accept all the terms and conditions of Tokocrypto exchange, and finally, click on the list option. We activate the I am not a robot option, and at this point a verification email has been sent to our registered email address. We open the inbox of our email, and as you can see, we have received the code from the exchange. Copy the code from here and paste it in this section. Your account has been successfully created on the Tokocrypto exchange, and at this stage a page will open for you that guides you through the identity verification process on this exchange. In upcoming videos, we will go through the steps of identity verification and document upload on this exchange together, step by step. And by clicking on the logo of this exchange in this section, you will enter the trading dashboard on Tokocrypto. Wishing you success and profitable trades.